Hey.
I gotta take this razor to it real quick. So be very still, because you know I can accidentally cut you.
Right.
Hold on, I gotta get it together first. 1 second. I gotta get the grease open, and then I'll be able to finish your hair. Be still, boy. Look straight, because I don't want you to get your hair messed up.
I'm tired.
Just hold your damn head straight. That's all you need to do. Be still, hold your head back before you get cut. Oh shit! Oh my goodness! I lied! Okay. I was just April.
You a bad mom.
Ketchup.
You bad, yo.
It's just good.